We got Kelly Loupe.
Good evening.
And what's the name of your place again?
Brasserie.
And we can find you on Facebook, right?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Well, let's see what we got.
A few little tabletops for you.
I'm a, you know, oh wow,
These are for your bedroom.
dude. Holy, that's beautiful, man.
I like them. I think they came out well.
Wow. Let me bring this thing in close. This is awesome. Amazing, man.
Thank you, man. These are all cypress.
So cool.
Here's your bathroom countertop.
What?
Well, this is all hickory. Really hard wood. And here is your dinette tabletop.
Oh, wow. What kind of wood is this?
This is hickory again.
Wow, that's beautiful, dude.
It's finished with a natural stains that brings out the grain in it.
Oh, that's freaking amazing. That's some character. Wow. Man, what a finish.
It came out really nice.
Thank you so much, dude. Little bit of information, Kelly and I, we used to work together when we was about 18 years old.
Bollinger Shipyard.
Bollinger Shipyard in
Yes,
Lockport,
sir.
Louisiana.
Good times.
Yeah, and we did a trip to Houston to Astroworld.
I was thinking about that today.
Yeah, that was some fun.
It was.
But we need a social distance ourselves
that's
for a
right,
little
that's
bit
right.
more.
6 feet, man.
6 feet, 6 feet. Again, man, thank you so much for coming out.
It's a pleasure, man. I
And
enjoyed it.
his link, descriptions down below. Thank you. So today, what I want to try to do, there's a couple things I need to do. I want to fill this up right here with some Luan, some wood. I'll give you a little preview of something too. Check this out. Pretty countertop. And also today, what we're gonna do, by the way, there's some flooring. I'm trying to clean up in here because we're gonna be laying some floor. Where we had the TV at, I need to fill this up. Need to do something with this. I don't think we're gonna, you don't wanna leave it like that. That's kind of what I'm gonna do today. I'm waiting on stuff for the countertop. I got we have a sink, a spigot that Natalie's ordering that we're waiting on. Before we put that, we want to take this thing down and sand it and put a good polyurethane on it. We got some different knobs we're gonna put right here. and I'm waiting on a piece so I can anchor this down. So that's the hold up on the cabinet right now. But that's just a little preview. We got our choice of some wood right here, so we're gonna take some measurements and, you know, probably cut out some weird pieces and put them up in that hole. I'm gonna use this. This is the Luan. I'm gonna strip this and go put that in the shower. Cutting some wood for that where the TV was, and I think I came up with something. We're gonna see if it's gonna work. Let's build it.
What you did, babe? Oh, that's nice.
Close that off.
You did a good job, my love.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna paint it.
Yeah.
Maybe put like a little
We can put them fancy floor towels.
No. But what we can put.
That looks real nice, my love.
Thank you. What we can put is some of those, like a gate, I guess.
A gate?
A gate.
What kind of gate? They don't got doors on there? We're not gonna put doors?
I had a TV right here before.
Yeah, I know, but what can we put? Hey guys, y'all have any suggestions? Cause I ain't putting no gate.
Should we paint it?
Let me chew on this. We gotta come up with something kind of quirky, something cool. Cause we don't have a home. We don't have a name for it yet. Something cool's gonna go there. You're just gonna silicone that. What can go there? That's going to be a good poll to put on Insta. Guys, what should we make this little area? We're not putting a TV right there.
I believe we might put a stand right here.
A stand?
A stand that we can hook a TV on.
Oh, we'll see.
Like right now, I know everybody wants to see the finished cabinet. It's not finished. We're waiting on stuff. I really don't want to do any more on it. Kind of burned me out. However, here's a little preview of what the floor is going to look like. I gotta hang these doors. I've been saying that for the last 2 weeks. I need to hang these doors. But let me show you what else I did today. As you might have seen, I think I had showed you, we bought a new freezer. And in the process of putting the freezer where it goes, I need to start putting some stuff in here because I needed to clean up my shed. Well, I noticed that all of these were not maintained right. So what I did was I took a wire brush and I wire brushed everything, and I painted this. I got some cans of spray paint and I painted it. I mean, it looks like night and day compared to what it was. I checked all over, a couple of different places, and wherever there was rust, I kind of scraped it, brushed it, and I tried to spray it, try to clean it all up. Because before it was looking bad. Got that done on all the sides.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.
Comment below.
Deuces.